I have wanted to do something with these overalls. Okay, they're distressed overalls. So what I was thinking is I have a collection of appliques that are from different places. I've gotten them from Amazon. They are in my Amazon store. I've gotten them from Temu, gotten them from old clothing that I've cut them out of. So I've collected vintage ones. We're also going to incorporate my Bling Packet. Here is the distressed part of the jeans. All right. So what I'm going to do is we're going to decorate these jeans. We're going to bling them up. We're going to use, so many of you ask me, how do you use the heat tool for the bling? We're going to do that today. We're going to do that today. Oh, it's the opening ceremony. We need to turn the Olympics on then. Lori, I'm glad you'd rather watch me than the Olympics. Okay, so this bling tool is so amazing. It gets hot enough to put our bling on fabric. The bling has, this is the color I'm using today. I'm going to use the, this is called Crystal Shimmer. These are AB stones. And these stones actually have adhesive on the back of them. Okay, there's adhesive on the back of them. So when I heat it up with the heat tool, it sticks. You guys, I never have a problem with these coming off in the wash. Never have a problem. So we're going to be blinging up because, you know, I can't just put some appliques on here. We got to bling them up too. Let me show you the appliques that we have. We're going to go floral, but I also have some crazy fun patches. And I think that it can be very eclectic. I want this across the front of my leg like this. Okay, and I want to bring it down. So this is the bottom. I'm letting the bottom hang off here. I want to bring it down. Now we're going to use, you could sew this if you wanted to, but I'm going to use Fabri-Tac. We're going to take our heat tool. We're going to take our bling. This bling has adhesive on the back of it, which makes it really convenient. And that's what makes it work with this heat tool. I want a little bit bigger stone, not too big, but a little bit bigger. I want it to show up really well. So I think we're going to use the number 16. Okay, I love how this leg has turned out. So let's put this to the side for a minute. You guys, look at this. Look at that. I don't use these pockets, so I'm not worried about covering this pocket up. Let me do this real quick. For sure. Wait, right up here. I'm gonna leave a space there to always put one of my pins if I want. Okay? So I'm gonna fill that space in no matter what. Look at how cute. It leaves the perfect space for me to put my brooches. Just looking at my appliques and trying to decide what direction, if I want anything else up here. Don't know that I really want anything else up here. I could pin my little, are you kidding me? You guys, look at this. You guys, I love it. I love it. I think we need to do just a single something. I don't want to do the same thing down both sides of the pants because I think you can get too much. I want something right here. I think I want this. But you guys, I want it to wrap around the leg. I want it to wrap around the leg. Do I want, or do I want to do a different color? Ooh, yeah. Yes, please. Yes, please. Okay, let's do half of this. I'm gonna do this half. Okay, so again, I'm going to glue this with the Beacon 3-in-1. It works just like our Fabri-Tac. I feel like, y'all, I kind of feel like the flowers are enough. I originally was going to put a couple of, look at how cool that's going to look. This is what we did today. This will be the top of our overalls, and here's the bottom. Oop, hold on. Sorry. I am excited about our overalls. I think they're going to be so fun to wear.
Totally Dazzled sells sparkling rhinestone wedding supplies. Check us out at totallydazzled.com. But before you do, click up here and download our free printable sparkle quotes. Or click down here and watch one of our other awesome tutorials.